Aloha and good morning. Dr. Robert Cassar, eartheracademy.com and earthshiftproducts.com. Tip of the day question: what's the easiest greens to grow in my garden or your planter? Well, let me show you. Just a few weeks ago, I planted these 4 small arugula. Remember, you can grow a lot of different types of lettuce, but arugula is one of the easiest and best, and it grows like crazy. Look at the leaves. So you want to follow our different videos we have on intelligent organic gardening, but these are the easiest greens to grow. You know why? Because nothing really likes to eat them. But you can see these are broccoli right here, and look what happened. Everything ate these, and I planted them at the exact same time. So look at this. This is a turnip right here. And you know what's eating them? I'll tell you, these are parasites in your garden. These big African snails or slugs. So this is the same as with parasites. What grows the best in your garden? Okay, it's the same thing as what will grow the best. As long as you have the minerals, watch our videos on what to put into the ground. You have to put in calcium, dolomite, all different types of fertilizers that are what called poop. It's because they eat poop to grow. So this is very important. What's the easiest green to grow? Arugula or spicy lettuce. Okay, like the mustard greens. Nothing really likes to eat them, and they're the best. And they're full of live food. This is how you get healthy, wealthy, happy, and wise. Again, the best thing you can do is make yourself a small garden. Even look, these 4 plants right here, I'll just take off a piece of lettuce like this, okay, and I'll take 20 pieces off and make a salad. So you can grow anything you want. You can do this in a garden, or you can go ahead and do it in planters. Wow, it's spicy. Okay, guys, so arugula or spicy lettuces, and they're not only the easiest to grow in your garden, but parasites in your garden don't like them either. So best thing to do is just like, anything. You have to take care of your garden to make sure that the snails don't eat your food, and make sure to, again, follow the terrain modification protocols, practices, and principles on, well, how to take care of yourself just a little bit better. Okay, guys, here we go. Oh, arugula. Okay, aloha.